Stop scrolling and look at your hands right now, because the phone you are holding is fully capable of launching a highly profitable digital brand before this upcoming Sunday night, without costing you a single penny. Think about the massive wall of anxiety that hits your stomach when you watch traditional business tutorials, only to realize they expect you to buy expensive website builders, paid marketing software, and high-priced graphic design tools before you even make your first dollar. Picture a completely different reality. Your market research is done for you, your logo and branding are designed automatically, and your storefront is live on the internet while your wallet stays 100% closed. If you are a student, a full-time employee, or a creative person who feels completely paralyzed by a lack of upfront startup capital, you are facing a common financial roadblock. The hidden trap keeping most people stuck in a regular routine isn't a lack of drive. It's the false belief that you need thousands of dollars in software subscriptions just to open a digital shop. In this video, I am going to completely shatter that myth and hand you a simple, zero-cost framework to orchestrate a highly efficient online business from scratch in 2026. If you choose to ignore this shift, you will continue letting expensive software paywalls freeze your entrepreneurial dreams, while others use these exact loopholes to scale on pure autopilot. But if you stay until the very last sentence of this script, you will gain access to a tactical step-by-step blueprint to push your business live before this upcoming weekend ends. This script skips all the overused platforms mentioned in older guides, cuts out the confusing tech jargon, and translates the entire setup into incredibly easy, simple words anyone can follow. This is your definitive fluff-free execution guide designed to get your first digital offer up, running and capturing real transactions without costing you a single dime. To understand why this is a massive operational breakthrough, we have to look at how modern digital business is actually evolving this year. Recent entrepreneurial data shows that over 60% of newly launched digital side hustles survive their critical first year simply by stripping out fixed software costs. When you remove the stress of recurring monthly platform bills, your business has an infinite runway to test ideas, change directions, and find hot buyer trends without losing money. The big divide between people who constantly overthink their budget and the smart beginners who launch successful brands comes down to knowing where the best zero-cost tools hide. You do not need an outside investor, you do not need to take a massive personal financial risk, and you do not need to know a single line of computer code to start. You just need to arrange your digital workflow into 3 distinct, user-friendly steps using highly specific, free software engines. Step number 1 is deep audience demand discovery and rapid asset styling. Before you spend time designing anything, you must verify that real people are actively searching for the exact solutions you plan to sell. Instead of paying for premium market intelligence suites, smart beginners are leveraging the free tier of a platform called GravityWrite. You simply enter a rough category note into the system, and the platform instantly scans live consumer search habits to find high-demand, low-competition product niches. In under 2 minutes, it writes out a detailed audience avatar, structures a clear product outline, and maps out your primary marketing angles based on real data. Once your profitable niche is locked in, you pass that information directly into a free visual generator like Microsoft Designer to handle your corporate styling. This automated graphic tool uses your text summary to instantly build high-definition logos, custom color schemes, and professional social media banners tailored exactly to your brand. Step number 2 is launching a high-converting digital storefront with 0 fixed monthly overhead. Once your brand files are organized, you need a clean, lightning-fast web link where visitors can read about your offer and safely check out. Instead of subscribing to costly website networks, you can use a completely free visual drag-and-drop page builder like Card. Card allows you to select a beautiful, pre-made layout template, drop in your custom graphics, and paste your product details into a live web link in less than 30 minutes. To collect your actual client payments and fulfill digital downloads automatically without platform fees, You connect a zero-cost commerce tool like PayHip directly to your page. PayHip handles your automated digital file delivery, processes major credit cards securely, and deposits the revenue straight into your account, while charging you exactly 0 monthly baseline costs. This ensures you only pay a tiny transaction fee when you actually make real money, keeping your operational risk at an absolute score of $0. Step number 3 is generating completely free organic traffic and launching your automated client help desk. A digital storefront cannot generate sales without continuous traffic, but wasting money on targeted web ads as a complete beginner is a dangerous mistake. To drive highly targeted visitors to your link without spending a dime, you use the free text generation engine of Copy.ai to structure your organic social content. You instruct Copy.ai to scan the most viral educational hooks in your niche and write 10 high-value, scroll-stopping script captions that point directly to your store link. To ensure your brand handles these incoming visitors perfectly, you embed a completely free automated messaging assistant like ManyChat straight into your profile pages. ManyChat's free configuration allows you to set a rule where whenever a user comments a specific word on your post, the tool instantly direct messages them your storefront link. This sets up a self-sustaining marketing and fulfillment loop that captures traffic, delivers links, and closes sales 24 hours a day while you are asleep. Deploying this entire $0 business framework doesn't require months of intense technical transition. It can be accomplished in a single weekend of focused action. Spend your Saturday morning using your free research assistant to find a high-demand niche, and spend the afternoon generating your brand assets and styling your product graphics. On Sunday morning, map out your visual storefront on Card, connect your free payment links, and publish your new platform live to the internet. Spend Sunday afternoon using your automated writing tool to queue up your first week of free promotional posts and link your automated message responder. By the time Sunday night rolls around, you have successfully transformed from a passive media consumer into an active, operational digital business owner. Once your free setup is running live in the background, maintaining the entire operation requires less than 30 minutes of total weekly evaluation. You do not need to constantly adjust software settings or sit and stare at a screen. You simply monitor a single spreadsheet to track your organic growth. Spend 10 minutes on a Monday morning skimming your automated direct message logs to see what common questions your visitors are asking your assistant. Spend another 10 minutes checking your commerce dashboard to view your processed transactions and transfer your weekend profits directly to your bank. This quick routine lets you retain complete quality control over your new brand while allowing free software to execute the tedious baseline tracking. By relying on this highly organized, lightweight approach, you completely eliminate operational waste and protect your personal savings from the very start. While your background applications manage the daily administration, your calendar is completely cleared to brainstorm even better digital products for your audience. Scaling your online business to a highly profitable level does not mean rushing to upgrade to expensive paid software tiers too early. The absolute smartest entrepreneurs stay on completely free software tiers until their monthly sales volume easily covers the cost of premium expansions. As your organic traffic compounds from your automated direct messages, your free store will continually stack cash straight into your business reserves. Once your zero-cost model is consistently bringing in thousands of dollars in reliable monthly revenue, you can safely use those exact profits to scale your systems. You can seamlessly reinvest your earnings into advanced automated pipelines, expand your digital product lines, or launch targeted campaigns to accelerate your market reach. This establishes a highly secure, completely independent online business ecosystem where you never risk your personal lifestyle to scale up your brand. At the end of the day, a truly successful modern entrepreneur is not the person who spends a fortune on software to look professional before making a sale. They are the strategist who leverages cutting-edge, free artificial intelligence tools to multiply their output, protect their time, and build a scalable asset for $0 down. The technological barrier to entry has completely collapsed, and launching a digital brand has never been more accessible for everyday people. The individuals who step forward and execute these free workflows today are the ones who will claim real financial freedom over the coming months. The people who hesitate and make excuses about their lack of budget will stay stuck exactly where they are, watching others win. Your entire zero-cost automation roadmap is laid out directly in front of you. Isolate your target niche, select your free visual tools, and use this upcoming weekend to launch your very first online business. If this straightforward beginner breakdown gave you the exact clarity you needed to start, make sure to hit the like button right now to help this video reach more future business owners. Leave a comment below sharing the exact type of online business you want to start, and I will personally reply to help you map out your absolute first free action step. Subscribe to the channel immediately, because every single week we deliver highly practical, fluff-free AI automation strategies designed for the real world. Thank you for watching this guide all the way through, and I will see you in our very next video.